Hi guys, my name is Nitvik. Welcome back to my channel. So today I made a project named Automatic Water Dispenser. So how so the materials that I use for my projects are Arduino board, IR sensor, centrifugal pump, battery and motor driver. Now I'll let you know how the materials work and I will let you know how I use them. So this Arduino board right over here used for connecting wires. And this this sensor right over here is used to sense objects. When it senses the objects, the two lights will come up. And now the centrifugal pump. So how does this centrifugal pump works is when you see this side nozzle, that will take water from here like in the ball like that, and it will give it to the impeller. So the impeller will spin, then the impeller will push the water to the pipe and it will come from here. So when you on this motor, this is gonna all of the things are gonna work. So now and the battery will give power to the motor driver, and the motor driver will give the power to the centrifugal pump, and the centrifugal. So the easy way to say how the centrifugal pump is like, it's like pick up and drop off. So when this sensor senses any object, this centrifugal pump activates. Then this nozzle right over here takes water, then the impeller starts spinning, then it pushes the water to this the other nozzle, then the other nozzle will give the water here. So now I'll show it to you practically. So I'm gonna turn on the code. So now I'll put my finger front of the sensor, then this will give the water. That's not working, and these, cause there is a misplaced connections in the Arduino board. So let me just check it. I fixed the problem on the Arduino board. Now I'll show you how it works. When I go near this, like when it sends, the water gonna come from this pipe. And when I take it out, no water coming. So I'll put it again, water coming. And when I take it out, no water. I'm putting it again. Now let's look at where and all we can use this project. So we can use it like for a filter. You could use it for coffee dispenser, like, so when you want to pull the coffee, then it will, when you place your cup front of the dispenser, the coffee would come up, then come in your cup. So, and you could use it like in washrooms. When you place your hand front of a tap, the water would come, then you could wash your hands. Let's take an example like agriculture. So pretend there's a crop, okay, and there's a river next to your crop that's flowing. So instead of coming every day to pick up the water from the river and put it in your crop like that, you could just put a centrifugal pump. Then if you turn on a switch, the centrifugal pump would activate and take the water from the river and give it to your crop. This is my project for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos like this one. Bye.